Name of a person is a wholly and a single item that is completely owned by the person you are dealing with. Hey everyone, this is Shilpa and you are on my channel She Speaks. Today I have something amazing to share with you. I have a habit, or if I use a better word, I have an ability. Yes, the correct word I would use here is ability to memorize the name of the person very easily. You must be questioning yourself that how come just memorizing the name of a person could be an ability. Well, it is sort of an ability. With the help of memorizing the name of the person, you can easily create your influence, or should I say a good impression on the other person, and you can also beg yourself a wonderful following. See, memorizing name of a person can do wonders in your life, because the name is something which set apart a person from the other. Like if I am Shilpa, you are someone else, and when you come and talk to me, you will address me by my name. This is something which I wholly own, and memorizing the name of a person is one of the finest arts of handling people. See, how? Because an average person is more interested and recognizes more of himself by his or her name. The name of a person has a great deal in his or her life, because throughout the life he or she will be addressed by that single name. See, people are so proud of their name that they try to use them at any cost. See, you must be studying various principles of science. You have seen that every law is after the person who has discovered it or who has invented anything. Okay, like the Newton's law, okay, or any law that comes, okay. And even the companies, okay, the company are also after the name of the person. Okay, we have very famous companies in our country, okay, they are just right after the name of the person. So this is the importance of the name to a person, and I think that it would be better if I share one of my experience or some kind of example with you, so that you would be clear in your mind that what exactly I'm talking to you about. See, I'm an English tutor, I have lots of students to teach, and when I address someone by their name, they feel so amazed that the teacher actually knows their name. She is addressing them with their name. It creates a very powerful impact on them. See, I recognized this one of this as my ability, and then I just started inculcating it into my this work arena. And I thought that if I am so quick to learn the names of the person, I should better use it in my workings. So I started addressing people by their name, and it has really done wonders for me. I'm able to bring a smile on the face of a person when I address them with their name. They feel so thrilled. See, just by addressing the name has such a powerful impact on the other person. I had to do nothing, I just have to address the other person by the name, and they feel so good. They feel so elated, so happy. I have not learned it from somewhere, or I have not imbibed it from anywhere. This is something which I have within me. It's been long back when I recognized this, when I noticed that I am so easy on learning the names. And now please don't think that there is a kind of a rocket science behind it. No, there's not any kind of a rocket science behind it. Even you can also learn the names or to memorize the names very easily. It's just you have to kind of work on it. Let me tell you how can you learn this art, or should I say this skill. See, whenever you meet any person, just find out the full name of her or his, okay, and you can inquire about some little details about friends and family, some kind of business, or some political opinions as well. And when you meet them the next time, just inquire them about the same details. You think it must be a very small thing, and you must be thinking that how could it make a such difference to other person, but trust me, just apply it to yourself. Like, if you are just meeting me for the very first time and I'm just asking you about some general questions, oh, how is your family, or what is going on in your life, and when the very next time you meet me and I ask you the same question, the first thing which will come to your mind is, oh, she remembers it till now. The very first thing will come to your mind will be this only, and you will remember me throughout your life, that she's the one who never skips any detail about any person. She will remember about the basic details of your life. There's some technique also to learn it. Like, if you meet any person, you can, and if you have not heard their name distinctly, you can ask them again, okay. And if you think the name of the person is not very conventional, so you can ask them again, oh, how your name is spelled, or please tell me how your name is pronounced. And during the conversation, just try to take some trouble, okay, just try to take some trouble. Try to take the name of the person throughout your conversation again and again. I'm not saying keep on saying the name of the person again and again. It is just a way for you to remember the name, okay. If you think that you are not able to learn the name of the person on the very one go, just try to use the name of the person in the conversation many a times. With this, what will happen, you will be easily able to memorize the name of the person. See, I have a life experience also to share with you. See, I have a friend who is a Christian, and her name is not that difficult to pronounce, but for some people it is little bit difficult to pronounce, okay. And because the Christian name is not that usual in our day-to-day life, okay, so she feels like a trouble to introduce her name, because she knows that the other person will not be able to pronounce her name easily, and they will be like mispronouncing it, they will be saying this or that. So at times she don't even feel comfortable to tell her name. See, this is very simple thing, but you can like feel that how important a name is. A person is not happy to tell the name to the other person, because she thinks that the other person will not be able to pronounce her name, though it is not a big deal, but the name is the big deal to her. And just think, if she just introduce herself to anyone and the other person is easily able to pronounce it, how happy she will be that he or she has pronounced my name so perfectly. So here I want to tell you that it is not only about just memorizing the name of the person, you should also memorize it, but it should be correctly pronounced as well. A name carries a flair for making people like you. See, remember the name, call it easily, and you have paid a subtle and a very effective compliment. You must have made compliments about the looks of a person, about the dress sense, okay. Now try this compliment as well. Just memorize their name and create an impact on them. See, half a times we are introduced to a stranger, we chat with them for a few minutes, and we are not even able to remember their name till the time comes to say goodbye. And by doing so, we are neglecting the most obvious, the most simplest, and the most important way of goodwill. That is by remembering their name and by telling them how important they are. We are failing to express the importance of the other person, as we don't remember that very single and the very most important detail about her or him, that is the name. See, remembering name is not only important in your day-to-day life, but even if you have a very big corporation, it is important in that also. See, as the corporation gets bigger and bigger, it gets colder and colder as well. And just to warm it up, the best way is to remember the name of the people in your organization. And if you are not able to do this single thing, then you are really missing out on something which is very important. In this video, I have shared you how I made this a habit of mine, an ability of mine, and I even told you some examples also. Okay, and please take this as my piece of advice. Try, I'm just saying, try to memorize the name of the people around you, whom you are introduced to and whom you are working with. And because always remember that the name of the person is the most sweetest language to the person. Okay, don't forget that remembering or honoring the name of the people around you could be one of the secret of success, or should I say the secret of leadership for you. Okay, so now please work on it, and do let me know in the comments that whether this video was any help to you or not, or are you also that good on remembering the names of the people and memorizing them. Okay, and that's it. Do like the video, comment below, share the video and subscribe to my channel. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and peace out.